I didn't ask for it, but she did it, and I ate them. I'm not gonna let them go to waste. Oh no. But do you know where your kids are? Alexa, what's wrong with Alexa? Happy Saturday. Welcome to the Glamour and You channel. My name is Debbie Deb. I am still congested, and I was sitting here watching my YouTube on this fine Sunday morning. How are y'all guys doing? Hope you're doing okay. I'm hanging in there, and yeah, that's about it. I'm hanging in there. I had my therapy session a few days back. It went very well. We actually went overtime because the next person didn't show up, so we had a little extra time, so it was kind of like we caught up on lost time. So it was very enlightening. And what was my homework assignment? You know, like stop overthinking and stop using but and can't. So I have to work on that. Instead of saying but or I may, you know, change the wording up to I'm going to speak more positive in my life instead of focusing on the negative. So that is my assignment. I'm gonna continue to work on that or work on it. So I came to pop in because I just received a package. So it came in this box. Sabo, is that how you pronounce it? Sabo. It's a comforter set. So I got a set of pillows that I got from Walmart. Just the regular standard size. You get 2 for less than $7. So this was the comforter came in. Let's see if I can get some light. Where is the light? My daughter got a package too. That's hers. I'm like, where is the light? Let's get some light in here. So this is the comforter set, which is like a khaki color. I got this off of Walmart. It's just a 3. So it's a 3-piece set, and it comes with 2 pillow sheets. I think it has like a little bit of like colored corduroy. So I think I chose one with corduroy. Nice, you know, it'll keep me warm. It's not all that thick, it's not all that thin. So yeah, I'm excited. I'll put on the screen what size I got. Yes, I like a big khaki color. I'm really missing my orange throw blanket. Let's see what's in here. No, yeah, it's a queen, 90 by 90. And let's see the pillowcase. Is it wrapped up in here? Yes. It seemed like a quick can. Where's the pillowcases? Did it not come with it? Okay, I found it. So the pillowcases also have like the corduroy side, standard pillowcases, and then the smooth side. So we're going to just moving that a little bit. Makes me feel out of breath. And my pillows, so it's just the standard pillows from Walmart. I had them shipped. Well, actually, no, that was the only option available to have them shipped. I like to put the tags on the inside because when they stick it outside the pillow, that irks my soul. Did I get lip oil on it? And like a new pillow. Not really, because when it comes to sleeping with your new pillow, well, me, I get a cramp in my neck the next morning because the pillow is nice and fluffy. That's what it looks like. I think it's on the inside. I never know how to use the little flat, but yeah, this one, yeah. Oh no, Alright. The other one should have sprayed them down. That has oil in it. Can't spray that. I like to spray my bed down with like perfume or like a room freshener. I just like to smell like a perfume or like just a scent. It helps relaxes me when it's time to go to bed or if I'm just chilling. Alright, so I'm gonna finish stuffing this pillow and I do have a couple things coming. I think one package is supposed to come tomorrow. So this is what I gotta do today. I have to wash some dishes. I need to pull out a pack of chicken. No, pull out chicken breast. I'm thinking about doing cream of mushroom and cream of chicken mixed together over some rice and some Brussels sprouts. So yeah, I think that will be my dinner for today. But I do need to pull the chicken out and a new set of nails on. The little duck nails, they were so flimsy that even with the gel, they were still just like breaking it in half, splitting it in half, whatever. So I'm gonna do the dishes, take the chicken out, cook later. What else? I might, this is not even on my ear. I might redo my desk, my vanity desk. I might remove the clear film that I have on it and put the new one, the new roll on there. So I might show you that. The other day I bought a 3-pack of wipes with this water. A 3-pack of wipes from Walmart, which is the extra large Equate brand. I got that. The extra large to me doesn't seem like an extra large. It seems like just a regular size wipe. I don't know. The thickness, it is somewhat thick. Holy shit. So I got this 3-pack of wipes. Brand extra large. This pack is it. So this is very fragrance free. I try to get fragrance free. Don't want no issues. So this is what the wipe looks like. To me, it just looks like a regular size wipe. Yeah. So to me, it doesn't seem like an extra large. I had that the other day. I was out of oil of oregano, so I picked up a new bottle. I've been out of that for about a month or so. Also, since I have this cold, I bought the Equate brand. I really love the Airborne brand, but I bought the Equate brand and it's a chewable immune support dietary supplement. So these are chewables. This is, once again, comparable to the Airborne brand. So yeah, those are just a few things that I picked up the other day. The wipes, the 2 supplements, and the comforter set. It seemed like something else from Walmart, but I think that was it. Yeah, that was it from Walmart. So now I am about to finish chilling, watching my YouTube, and make my coffee. It is like 10:15, I think. I've been up since 8 and I haven't had my coffee yet, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a soap mask today where I just layer my face with my Kojic soap and my turmeric soap and just wear that as a face mask today. It says I have an appointment tomorrow, a therapy session. I don't recall us making the therapy session that soon because it's usually, I usually schedule them like every couple of weeks or every month, like once a month or every 2 weeks. And we just had a session Tuesday, this past Tuesday. So for me to have another appointment, it's weird. I don't know. But anyway, my new practitioner called the other day. So I had to give them a little bit of history and plus how I'm feeling currently because I need to get new medicine or get new because I haven't had any medicine for the past week and a half. So they want to get me back on my medication, so they put in a prescription for that. So I left a message because the practitioner called on Friday. So after I finished talking to the practitioner, I called the pharmacy to put in my prescription and nobody answered. It was like 4:30 and it says it closed at 5. So I left a message, detailed message of what I was calling for and what I was requiring. And so hopefully they just go in, pretty much they won't, I don't think they will, but hopefully they go in and just fill the prescription without me calling back. But I'm gonna call tomorrow, which is Monday, the 15th, just to make sure. And happy birthday, Mom. I miss you. Happy birthday. So yeah, tomorrow's June the 15th, so yeah, I just don't want to set an alarm and get it all fixed up and there's no session tomorrow, which all my sessions are online. I have not yet gone in for a session, so yeah, it's been hot outside. We went out yesterday, me and the baby, because 2 packages was delivered here and at my place, and it didn't belong to me. So I went looking for a person it belonged to. So I hope I gave it to the right person, because yeah. So anyway, yeah, it was so hot out there, you couldn't breathe. It was stifling just from being out there from that little time. It felt like I couldn't breathe and that all my energy was drained. So yeah, it's hot out there. And if I could get my online sessions, definitely book me for online sessions. So hopefully I do have a doctor's appointment, so me getting prepared won't be in vain. So well, maybe I might need to be prepared tomorrow anyway, because I got this package coming and I do want to kind of look presentable for that. So it may not be in vain. It may not. So yeah, I am going to get back to this YouTube and stop talking y'all to death. And I may see y'all later. My nose is running. I've been asleep most of the day. Alexa, what's wrong with Alexa? Alright, she was on fire. But I need to know what time it is. I slept most of the day because I woke up early. I think I woke up at, I know I woke up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Then I woke up again later on. Oh my God. I woke up, made me feel like I had bronchitis, because sometimes it just takes my breath away. I woke up sometime in the morning, 7, 8-ish, stayed up, fell back to sleep probably around 9 to 10 in the morning. Woke up around 12 and went back to sleep, and then woke up a couple of hours ago. What time was it? Did I notice the time? Don't even know. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 11:43 p.m.
Do you know where your kids are? They better be in the house. But anyway, I've been up watching YouTube, and I had got a sweet tooth, and Kroger and Influenza has blessed me with some ice cream. And I know I'm late to the party I was supposed to been showed and ate this, but I just been on like this real kind of strict, I won't say diet, like eating habit. So I haven't had like sweets like that. My daughter did buy me some oatmeal cookies. Who told her to do that? Because I didn't ask for it, but she did it and I ate them. I'm not gonna let them go to waste, but I ate those. That was like a couple of weeks ago. I've been nibbling on chips, like the little 25 cent bags. It should be 25 cents because I only give you like 4 or 5 chips in the bag. But anyway, I've been nibbling on those. I had that like twice, I think. So, but other than those 3 things, like I've been staying away from junk food. So tonight I have a sweet tooth, and I said, hey, let me open up one of the ice creams. I've never tried a double vanilla. I'm not really a vanilla girl because I like flavor, like I like mixed flavors. So like a Neapolitan I can eat that has vanilla, but vanilla, I really don't go for vanilla. And plus, you know, like I know most people say, well, you can add stuff to it, you know, your favorite toppings. Like, I'm not doing that. Like, if you're trying to watch out for your health and your, you know, your sugar intake, if you're pre-diabetic or diabetic or whatever, or, you know, weight issues, or trying to watch your weight, you don't want to add all that stuff. So I'm just gonna eat it plain. This is the double vanilla by Private Selection, and I'm gonna try it on camera with you guys. And also I gave the baby some with some caramel syrup. Where's my spoon? Oh, alright, found it. So I gave the baby some. Is my camera dirty? Hold on. Okay, you look much better. I gave the baby some the other night. I'm not one that's gonna put it in a pretty bowl. I'm just gonna eat out the carton or the container. I'm up, coughing as usual, and watching Sunday Chisme. Yeah, catching up on my Sunday Chisme. This actually tastes good. Now, I've had Kroger vanilla. I've had that like a couple months ago, which is also an influencer from Influencer and Kroger. And the plain vanilla, I think it was called the Magnificent. I don't know. But the plain vanilla from Kroger's, but the private selection, you can actually taste the vanilla. The vanilla flavor, like the Kroger one in the blue container, you don't really taste vanilla. I don't know if the double vanilla is why it's extra, like it tastes extra vanilla. It tastes more vanilla in this, but this is good. Yeah. My goodness, how many calories is that? Okay, so 280 calories per serving and 840 for the container. Which one I'm gonna do? The 840 tonight. This container gonna be gone. So I'm gonna finish watching my Chisme. Thank you so much, Influencer. Thank you so much, Kroger's. Having my little late night snack. At what time? What time is it? Alexa, don't show off. What time is it?
Which phone number, contact or device do you want to call?
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 11:49 p.m.
She like to show out, y'all.
Good night. Well.
You too. All right, let me get back to my Chisme and my double vanilla ice cream. Thank you so much, Influencer and Private Selection. This is great. So if you're a type of person that like vanilla and you're not getting that real vanilla taste out your ice cream, try this Private Selection double vanilla. Y'all have a good night, and I'll see you in the next video.